Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to change font size. So if you want to change font size, you can create for the style elements with the font size element. As example, I will create paragraph in here. Okay, you can tap like change font size. Click save and then open into the browser. So this is the font size. Now if you want to change, you can create style. And the next, use the font size. Like I will change into 20 pixel. Click file save. And then you can refresh. The font will be changed the size. So I will create again in the second paragraph. This is font size 50 pixel. Now you can create style, font size, and then set into 50 pixel. Click save, and then you can refresh. So this is the text will be changed into 50 pixel. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML. How to font size.